Alright, I so gotta get this on tape. Holy crap, look at this. This is insane. Looks like Vin's got his truck started. Let's see if I can get around here without killing myself. It's not so bad right here underneath the the eave. Yeah. Let's see, somewhere back here is my car. Somewhere in here. There it is right there. It's unreal. There's still travel, but not on our road. Like the neighbor's got his driveway blown out. We're lazy, so he said, nah, we'll wait till it's over and just do it once. Pretty crazy. There's a truck underneath that, and there is a car in there. Wow, I haven't seen it snow like this in years. I love it. This is crazy. Wow, this is insane. God. There's the top of my camper. Got it all covered up for the winter, and wow, that's crazy. What a day. Holy cow, I love it. This will be fun tomorrow. I'm gonna step up here on the stairs. It's still coming down. That's crazy. God bless America. Anyway, that's all I got right now. Oh my gosh. Merry Christmas, everybody.